Hi everyone, David Lewis. You have got to be kidding me. You can't make this stuff up. I just got off the phone with one of my trainers that has been working with a dealership for the last 6 months. And when he got there, now keep in mind this dealership was not making profits in service. When he got there, they were using a linear labor grid, which doesn't work. We converted it over to a bell curve labor grid. And over the last 3 months, both their profits and their effective labor rate has increased tremendously. All of a sudden, last month, it dropped back to where it was. When the trainer asked the service manager why, he said, well, it probably had to do with the labor grid. I just wasn't feeling comfortable with the one you set up, so I put it back to the linear labor grid. Why would you do that? It was working. When he talked to the service advisors, they were baffled as well. You see, too many times in our industry, we have people that just want to do it the same way they've always done it because that's the way it's always been done for them and they feel comfortable. If you want to succeed, you have to go outside of your boundaries. You have to make an attempt to improve. We made an improvement, and this service manager, because he did not feel comfortable with it, changed it back to the way it was, and now they're losing money again in service. Don't know what to say. Good luck, everyone.